again and again until the only thing left is a harmless metaphor.
We just got out of the premiere of Lúcido, a VR experience that tells the story of Gilles, a young man who learns to control his dreams with the help of his boyfriend. Together they travel to strange dreamscapes and discover that the worst ones are the ones that they don't want to wake up from. It's quite exciting to be here at Cannes, premiering such an immersive project, something that's usually quite hard to distribute. I couldn't imagine a better start for this project. Part of the funding for Lúcido came from Ibermedia Next. It really made the project possible. It presented us not only with the funding necessary for development, but also several interesting opportunities throughout the program to develop the concept and really polish it for distribution. I'm really glad to be part of the Ibermedia Next program.